In our times, nature is becoming more and more important for people. It's also luxury to spend some time outdoor and to have all these beautiful places, especially here in Sweden, of course. We try to live together with the nature, not against the nature, and this is how we treat the materials as well. That's very important for us to achieve that the customer feels very safe, secure, and also at the same time he has a feeling he's in a healthy room somehow. So this is why we would like to achieve to have a much bigger amount of natural materials in our cars. So we work on many different ways of fabrics. So for example, the wool blend. They should have the feeling that they have a piece of Swedish nature in the car. So for example, to use the real wood and leave it as a wood.
Leather being such a versatile and high-performance material that can be used in many different areas. So we work very closely together with our suppliers, making it very important to have responsible suppliers, keeping the high performance together with the natural product itself.
We test materials on a material level, on a component level, on a system level, and also on a complete vehicle level. We conduct contact allergy testing, for instance metal surfaces within the compartment. They often have a nickel surface beneath the shiny works, and that one is tested so it won't leak, because nickel allergy is one of the most common contact allergies in worldwide.
If you live with these materials at home, of course you want to have that in your car as well. So it's more like an experience that you move your home into the car. So I think that's very important and a big trend for the future.
Seat is both related to the anthropometric and the physical ergonomics, but also a very personal opinion about what you like. In the 1965 model of the Volvo Amazon, we introduced a world-first adjustable lumbar. That was the knowledge that we got the correct position of the lumbar support, so the lumbar was following the spine. That was through a long partnership with a well-known spine researcher, Alf Nachemson. One of the key elements in the Volvo seat comfort is that we have a really good shape and also balanced firmness in the seat. That is many times what our customers are relating to.
Physical ergonomics is about the human abilities and limitation that relate to physical activity, but also the strength and the body strain when you are seated, for example. We want to develop cars that's easy and effortless to get in and out of, and it should be easy to open and close doors, and also the roominess feeling and the space you have for all people in the car. It's the science that defines physical measurements of the body and also the functional capacity. It's really important that we take into consideration that the humans look different all over the world, but also differences between person to person. We have different arm length, different sizes of the hands. So we use anthropometric data, body dimension, from all over the world. So the shape and the form of controls, for example, will fit in a good way. We strive for having a human-centric approach when we develop. We shall adapt the car to the human, not the opposite.